Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a video card. First, ensure your computer is completely powered down and all cables are disconnected. This is crucial for your safety and to protect your components. Next, carefully remove the side panel of your computer case, usually held by a few screws at the back. Before touching any internal parts, remember to ground yourself to discharge any static electricity. This simple step prevents potential damage to sensitive electronics. Now, let's get that new video card installed. Find the appropriate PCI Express slot on your motherboard. It's usually the longest one. You'll need to remove the small metal bracket cover from the back of your computer case that aligns with this slot. With the slot ready, carefully align your new video card and press it down firmly but gently. You should hear a small click as it seats correctly into the slot. Once the card is seated, secure it to the case with a screw or the provided latch mechanism. This prevents it from moving. Next, connect any required power cables from your power supply directly to the video card. Many modern cards need 1 or 2 6-pin or 8-pin connectors. Finally, carefully reattach the side panel of your computer case, ensuring all screws are tightened. With the hardware in place, it's time for the software. Connect your monitor cable directly to one of the ports on your new video card, not the motherboard. Then, power on your computer. Once booted, download and install the latest graphics drivers from your video card manufacturer's official website. This is crucial for optimal performance and stability. Remember to check the description for a link to grab some little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your enhanced graphics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.